What is up, everybody? My name is Motonozy, and today we are finally getting rid of these wobbly boys and this ugly duckling of a tail right here. Alright, so I got here the TST Industries Hyper Pack bundle, which is a really awesome kit that just changes all the non-LED bulbs that are on this 2020 R3 into LED bulbs, which brings it into the modern age, which should have came from factory, but whatever. And it also adds a tail tidy to make this bike just look amazing. Let's get started. All right, now that I got everything unboxed, let me explain a bit of what we got here. We got the Fender Eliminator that removes that god-awful, ugly, giant hunk of plastic on the tail. We got an integrated rear turn signal, which will make it look so clean. We got a relay to make sure that the lights don't hyper flash. Got LED light for the license plate. And last but not least, we got LED turn signals / halo running lights for the side of the bike. I'm excited to get all this on the bike, so let's just get started already.
Finish him!
Yo, this is already looking so clean. Can't wait until the rest of it's done. This is gonna look sick. Alright, so one thing that is kind of jank about this TST kit is this license plate light that uses 3M tape to stick to the license plate. And you just gotta kind of hope that you stuck it centered, or else you're gonna be annoyed as crap like I would be. Hopefully I do this correctly. You'll see in the final product. I'll probably be stressing about this for like 30 more minutes. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, I just finished putting it on and I think that is pretty damn perfect. I'm happy with that. Alright, let's get this thing on the bike now. Yo, this is looking so sick. Now for arguably the most exciting part of this, the integrated tail light. I gotta take this thing out first, so let's do that. Alright, now it's installed and this thing looks dope. Alright, so this is the running light, and then when you push the brake, I set it so it flashes and then stays red. You can set it to not flash, or you can set it to always flash when you're braking. I think this is a nice mix. And you also got the turn signals. I set it to the sequential one because I think it looks the best in my opinion. So now let's finish this bike up with putting it all back together. Yo, I am finally done. It has been 3-4 hours of me just filming and doing all this shit, but this looks amazing. Those look so much better than stock. And my favorite bit, this tail. Dude, that looks amazing. I love it. If you guys want a Fender Eliminator kit for an R3, you gotta get the TST Industries one because it looks clean. Look at this. That looks factory. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one, whatever that is. Man, I love this bike.